Good morning, y'all. How y'all doing, YouTube? I got something special in the mail that I've been waiting on to get for the last few months. I was finally able to get it. It's here. So let's dig in, see what we got. Shall we? Let's see what we got here. Paperwork. Also, there's some cigars. What cigars? What type of cigars? What brand of cigars? The new Perdomo Legacy. These babies right here. I've been waiting to try these ever since Nick Jr. said that he was making them for his dad. Got him in. And it's about time. The Connecticut, Sun Crown, and the Maduro. Finally got them in. Hallelujah. I can't wait to try one. The first one we're going to try is the Connecticut. We're going to do that one first. An Epicure size, which is my favorite size. That's one that we're going to do first. So yeah, that's my haul. My delivery. My special surprise. The Perdomo Legacy by Nick Jr. Let's find it out, Junior. Thank you, Perdomo. That's it, y'all. These beautiful, awesome cigars. That's all I got for you. But yeah. That's it so far. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all on the next one.